How to get a random value from dictionary? How can I get a random pair from a dict? I'm making a game where you need to guess the capital of a country and I need questions to appear randomly. The dict looks like Venezuela: Caracas. How can I do this?
One way would be edit. The question was changed a couple years after the original post, and now asks for a pair, rather than a single item. The final line should now be
I wrote this trying to solve the same problem. This URL. It has O1 random access to keys, values, and items.
If you don't want to use the random module, you can also try PopItem. Since the dict doesn't preserve order, by using PopItem you get items in an arbitrary, but not strictly random, order from it. Also keep in mind that PopItem removes the key-value pair from dictionary, as stated in the docs. PopItem is useful to destructively iterate over a dictionary.
try this. This definitely works.